Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. This is Pick 3 Kansas, coming at you with some midday numbers as well as some possible evening numbers that you can play if you would like. So, the numbers that dropped today, the 22nd of February 2020, were 4, 2, 7. And if you see here, sometimes they hit like this. On this first one, it got it right here, 7, 2, 4. So they aren't touching, but they are touching. Of course, they're touching in the 317 rundown. One thing I noticed that I wanted to make a note and share with you is that the reason why I have these ones and zeros bolded in, whatever you say, highlighted, I guess, is because I added 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 10. And I was just going to do the ones, and then I thought, well, I'll just do the 1 and the 0. So it's basically the date sum. I don't know if that's exactly what most people would consider a date sum. Sometimes they do it differently, like they would drop, the 1 and it would be 0. But I personally thought I would try the 1, 0. And what I noticed is that if I would have did the reason why I highlighted them, if I would have utilized that reason, it would have been to choose numbers that were all around and in between and even a part of. And you can see right here, 2, 4, 7. That's just like plain as day. I would have, going back on it, I would have done like 3, 4, 7, 7, 4, 5, 2, 4, 7, 8, 2, 3, 6, 3, 2, 6, 1, 8, 8, 1, 4, 0, 7, 4, So yes, let's get on for the evening numbers. I've already filled out my 317 grid, my rundown, I should say, and my tic-tac-toe grids. These are the number combinations that I think have a good possibility to hit. I would say if you were to play any of these, I would play it exact and any if you're in Kansas. If you're in another state, I don't know exactly what the payouts are in regards to your pick 3 games, but these combinations could potentially work for all states, even though I'm utilizing the numbers that are from Kansas. I just don't have time, but when I get some time, I'm actually going to be making another video tonight that's going to be geared towards all states, but I'm not sure if the numbers that I've been recommending have been hitting in other states or not. I'll have to go through and check that out. So anyways, this is the 22nd. I kind of messed up right there. So these are the pick 3 numbers for the 22nd of February 2020. These are the numbers, the combos that I think have a great potential of being a box hit or even a straight. I got really excited because I thought when I first looked at the numbers that were called the 427, I thought when I went and flipped back onto the page, I was like, oh, I have a hit. I finally got a hit, but I had 527, of course, one off. But then I went back one more day, and this always happens to me. The evening numbers, so not the evening on the 21st, which was yesterday, but the midday for yesterday, I have right here, 274. So that would have been an $80 payment if I would have just stuck with, if I would have been playing that number. And such is life, it happens. It's not like I'm going to spend, however many dollars it would cost to play all these numbers again. One thing I'm trying to get into that I noticed that a lot of cool people on the Lottery Post forum for Kansas Pick 3, is I want to get into the 2-digit returns, because that happens quite often. It's been a real thing here in Kansas, at least. And by 2-digit return, I mean like, don't pay attention to all this mess, but like if I would have kept a 2-digit return, okay, look at this one, was pretty badass. Okay, so this 184, let's say that I wanted to do a 2-digit return with the 1 and the 4. I would have played 140, 141, 142, 143. Okay, these make sense. The 2-digit return, you're basically taking 2 of the digits and thinking they're going to return, so you want to play those digits with 0 through 9. Well, the next number that hit was 241, so I would have had that 142. And then if I would have played it again, 1-4, I would have had 149. That would have been 3 hits and 3 draws in a row, playing that 2-digit return. The reason why this 454 couldn't be in that, because this isn't a 2-digit return of that. If it was 484, it would have been perfect. But it's not. So anyways, the 184 turned into the 241, which turned into the 149, which turned into the 414, which is flipping crazy, right? So you could have potentially, and I know there are people out there that were doing that, was just continue to hit them 2-digit returns. So 1s and 4s were hitting like, I don't even know what. But I'm jealous of the people that did play that, because that would have been, what is that? It would have been $80 or 500, $80 or 500, depending on how they played the numbers. $80, $80. So potentially the base minimum, if you would have just done box, 6-way box, you would have gotten 80 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So however much that is, that's a nice chunk of change for, what is that, 16th through the 20th? That's why I want to get better at this game, you know, is that money. And to help you guys learn too, you know, that's what this channel is all about. Since I'm still learning, I just want to help other people that are interested in the Pick 3 games learn as well. So, all right, let's get back here to the... I'm about to do a monthly, I wanted to point out some really awesome formula. I've already shared it. I don't know if I did it on a video or not, but I want to do a more detailed video, and I'm going to really go through and show people how it works out and stuff. So that's going to be my next video, which I'm hopefully going to have out by tonight, or it might be even early tomorrow. Just depends on how it goes. But here are the numbers again that I recommend playing for the evening draw in Kansas for the Pick 3 tonight. And as usual, happy number picking. Bye.